How to enable or disable keyboard keep symbol panel open on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down, and from here, tap on general management. Next, we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll down and tap on swipe, touch, and feedback. In here, tap on keep symbol panel open. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here, it says when you touch and hold the period key, keep the panel open after the symbol is selected so you can enter more than one symbol at a time. So here, we will switch it on to turn it on, or you can switch it off. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.